In this video, we are going to discuss on empirical process in Scrum. As we are know aware about it in last videos as well, that transparency, adaptation, and inspection are three pillars of this empirical process of Scrum. Okay, let's go ahead and discuss in depth. Overview of empiricism of Scrum. Okay, so Scrum is based on the principle of empiricism, which emphasizes knowledge gained through the experience. It relies on observable facts rather than theoretical construct. Empiricism supports decision making based on real world evidence. So, this is all about the overview points. And other than that, we are having three pillars as we have discussed earlier as well. That is transparency, inspection, and the adaptation. So, let's go ahead and see what exactly it is. Transparency means ensure all the aspects of the process are visible to those responsible for the outcome. Inspection ins- inspection means what? Regular checks on progress and processes to identify any deviations. What about the adoption? Making necessary adjustments based on the inspection results to improve the outcome. So these are three pillars of the empiricism. Let's go ahead and see the values of a successful Scrum team. That is already learn about the Scrum values. Those are five values and remember as force, right? So focus is what concentrating on the work at hand to maximize the productivity. Openness is encouraging honest communication and sharing of the information in between the team members. Okay, then respect, valuing each team member's contributions and perspectives, their knowledge and experience. Then courage, taking risk and facing challenges heads on. Commitment will be dedication to achieving team goals and delivering the value. Okay, so those core five values of successful Scrum team. So now let's go ahead and see what will be the organizational impact of Scrum. So here I have listed some benefits of implementing Scrum in the organization. Let's see what those are. Increase collaboration and communication within teams, enhance ability to respond to changing customer needs and market conditions, greater alignment of team efforts with organizational objectives. And what will be the challenges? Resist challenges and what will be the challenges in adoption of those new things? Let's see. Let's go ahead and see. Resistance to change from traditional project management approach. What was the traditional project management approach? That was the waterfall model, right? So we need to change it from that traditional to agile one. So need to training and support to fully embrace Scrum principles, balancing transparency with the need for confidentiality in certain aspects. So those are the challenges in the adoption of this Scrum. Okay. So we have discussed the impact. Then let's go ahead and see these three pillars in depth. First pillar, it's a transparency. Let's go ahead and see what is the importance of the transparency. Foster the trust among team members and the stakeholders. Ensures that anyone is aware about the project status and the challenges. Then eliminate hidden agendas that could detail progress. So this is the importance of the transparency and how we can implement that transparency within our team. See. Let's see. Regular updates and open communication channels. Visible progress tracking through tools like Kanban boards, Scrum boards, and so many things. Sharing both successes and setbacks to promote collective learning. Okay, through these three steps, we can implement the transparency within our team. Let's go ahead and see the second pillar of the empirical process, that is inspection. What is the role of inspection? Conducted by all members of the Scrum team, not just designated inspectors. Okay, so inspection conducted by all the members of the Scrum team, not just designated inspectors. Inspection focuses on various aspects like product qualities, team dynamics, and processes. Inspection aims to gather feedback and identify areas of improvement. So, this is the role of the inspection within the Scrum team. What will be the methods we can use? Sprint review to showcase work completed and gather customer feedback. Daily stand up to discuss progress and obstacles. Then retrospective to reflect on the team's performance and the process. So this is the inspection methods through we can achieve our goals and inspect co- what is running under the teams. What will be the status into the what will be the status in the current sprint? Okay. So let's go ahead and discuss about the third pillar, that is the adaptation, which is tends to continuous improvement. Adaptation is driven by insights gained from inspections. Teams regularly assesses their performance and seek ways to enhance the efficiency. Adoption encourages a culture of learning and flexibility. Okay, so this will be tends to continuously. And what will be the goal of adoption? That is striving of faster time to market by refining processes, enhancing return on investment through value-based delivery, improving overall quality of the product and satisfaction of the customers and the employees. Okay, so in this today so in this video, we have discussed about the foundation of the Scrum, that is overview of the empirical process, which is required in the Scrum. Then the values, core values, those are four values of Scrum that we have seen. Then the three pillars of the empirical process in depth, which with the importance of that, and then organizational impact of the Scrum. So just go through this video again and again and learn this concept clearly. Okay.